Windows Wi-Fi problem, can't connect to this network. In this video I am going to show you how you will resolve the Wi-Fi connectivity problem which says, can't connect to this network. I am using Windows 10 Professional on my laptop, and I face this problem time to time on my laptop. Before proceeding further, let me show you this problem in real time that I made recording of. Normally, most of the time, we face this problem on Windows 10. It will appear while you will be working on your laptop, and suddenly your Wi-Fi will get disconnect, and upon reconnecting, it will start giving this message. It does not happen all the time, but in rare cases it does. Same is the case with my Wi-Fi. I sometimes face this problem. Each time I face this problem, I have to reboot my laptop. Which is not a good idea because it will waste your time while rebooting, and also will slow you down in your work. So, I thought, why not find out the solution and share with you guys? I started searching on the internet for the root cause, and the solution of this problem. What did I do? I started to note down each solution. When I got into this problem again, I started applying all the solutions one by one, and tried to find out the main root cause for this problem to occur. I also recorded everything while I was trying to apply all the solutions. But, to save your time, I don't think that it would be a good idea to make a lengthy video. Because I know that you guys need only the solution. Anyways, I will now share all the solutions that I tried to apply when I faced this problem, along with the root cause and the exact solution that I found. 1. I tried to resolve the problem with Windows built-in troubleshooting. 2. I turned off the Wi-Fi and turned on after a few minutes. 3. I turned on airplane mode and turned it off after a few minutes. 4. I disabled Wi-Fi and re-enabled after a few minutes. 5. I assigned an IP address manually. I mean static IP address. 6. I again changed the IP address settings from static to DHCP. 7. I removed the wireless network from Manage Known Networks, so that it will ask me again to enter the password to connect to my Wi-Fi network. 8. I turned off the power saving mode in the device manager. 9. I rebooted the internet router as well. 10. I put my laptop into sleep mode for a few minutes. 11. I stopped and then restart the wireless LAN service. 12. I disabled the firewall. Although it has no concern with connectivity, but I did this, thinking might be possible firewall is stopping Wi-Fi to connect to this network for some reason. 13. I logged out from Windows and logged in again. I found out that the above solutions shared by different people on the internet are not based on the experience, but these are just the generic solutions. I would rather say that those are the theoretical solutions but not practical. Now let me share the root cause and the solution to resolve this problem. Despite applying every solution mentioned above, I was unable to connect to my wireless network. Finally, I found out that the root cause of this problem is with Wi-Fi driver which stops responding suddenly in Windows 10. As you know, that I only share my personal experience with you guys. So let me tell you that you only have two solutions to resolve this problem. Solution number 1. Reboot your laptop or Windows. This solution is for only those persons who don't know how to handle these kinds of problems if they appear in Windows. If you technically don't know about the operating system and its drivers etc. I mean if you have no technical knowledge about these things, then this is the only solution to overcome this problem. Simply, just reboot your laptop and it will start connecting again after reboot. But let me tell you that this is not recommended. And also this is not the proper solution. Reason is that, if you reboot your Windows, it will slow down your work and it will waste your time while rebooting is complete. Solution number 2. Install the Wi-Fi driver. This is the best and recommended and quick solution to this problem. All you have to do is download the exact and recommended driver for your Wi-Fi adapter and keep it safe on your laptop. Whenever you face this problem, then just reinstall the Wi-Fi driver again. You don't even have to uninstall the previous driver. As soon as you reinstall the Wi-Fi driver, it will start working. Just enter the password and connect to your wireless network. Why this solution is recommended? In the IT world, rebooting of the device or laptop or operating system is not recommended, and not even considered the proper solution due to many factors. The only recommended solution is the one which we can apply successfully to resolve the problem without rebooting the device and wasting our time. So, download your Wi-Fi driver right now without any delay. Keep this driver safe on your laptop and save your time in the future if you start getting this problem again. Let me show you the solution number 2, while I am trying to resolve the issue by reinstalling the Wi-Fi driver on my laptop. Reinstallation of the Wi-Fi driver without rebooting the laptop or operating system. Although I record all the solutions while applying. But I could not share all the way every step in this video. If I do, this video goes so much lengthy. So I will only share the final solution which I found helpful. Which is the reinstallation of the Wi-Fi driver. I will now reinstall the driver, but keep in mind that I don't even need to uninstall the previous version of the Wi-Fi driver. And I also don't need to reboot my laptop or operating system. Thus it will resolve this problem. Watch the video while I am installing the Wi-Fi driver. It is asking me to uninstall the previous version of the driver. I will ignore that. Because sometime after uninstalling the driver, it may ask to reboot the laptop. Which I don't want to. So I will continue and install the driver. Now try to reconnect to wireless network. If it asks to enter the password, then enter the password and you will be connected again. As you can see that, after reinstalling the driver, the Wi-Fi start working again and I did not reboot my laptop. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my video then please, don't forget to like my videos and also subscribe my channel. Thanks.